House Speaker Boji D wants the House to suspend its investigation into anomalous flood control projects and let the Independent Commission for Infrastructure take the lead.
Kung ako lamang ang masusunod, yung Infracom, kailangan lahat na ng report at kung ano nangyari dun sa Infracom, kailangan i-submit na namin sa ICI. Total, hindi naman pinaniniwalaan ng ating karamihan ng ating mga kababayan kung anong nangyayari dito sa Infracom nito.
D also commits to releasing a statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth or SALN to the media if needed.
Ay lahat dapat talagang makita at maging bukas ang SALN ng bawat isa para sa ganun talagang ipakita natin sa ating mga kababayan at may manumbalik ang pagtitiwala sa atin.
The call for congressmen to release their SALNs has resurfaced amid renewed scrutiny of public officials' business interests and involvement in government contracts. Akbayan lawmakers Chel Diokno, Percy Sendanya, Dada Kiram Ismula, and Kakabag Au previously released their SALNs to the media in support of transparency and accountability.